Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your Instagram account from hackers. So basically there is an option to maximize the security of your account. You can go to your Instagram account and go to your profile, and then you can see there is three lines in the top right corner. You can click it, and then you can go to account center. And then as you can see there is password and security. You can click it, and this is guys two-factor authentication. You can activate this feature and it will boost your security. You can click it, and then you can choose your Instagram account. Then you can choose your security method. I will choose WhatsApp. Next, see, I get the message. Okay, click next. It's done, just like that. And now your account is more secure because you already activate two-factor authentication. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.